Because lahat naman tayo, 'di ba? Parang kapag nagmahal tayo, hindi natin alam kung ilan o magkano yung itataya natin sa pag-ibig.
Taray.
So yun. So pag napanood mo yung movie, yun, mapapaisip ka, ibibigay mo ba ng buong-buong sarili mo or magtitira ka ng peraso para sa sarili mo. Parang ganun. So makaka-relate sila doon. Aside from that, parang feeling ko relatable siya kasi yung family, yung sinabi nila isa na family, bawat si Ken at yung character ni Sophia and Drake, they both have family issues na dahil doon naaapektuhan yung view nila on love. At ganoon din naman tayo. Kung anong background natin sa pamilya, nagiging ganun yung pananaw natin sa pag-ibig. So, makaka-relate sila doon.
And for Liza, my last question. Since kayo na ni Liz Ken is the parang epitome of forever. Dito ba sa movie na to, parang makikita rin ba nila yon yung forever na nakita nila sa Forevermore? Good vibes ba siya na movie? Or
Opo naman. Mas maraming kilig moments, mas maraming happy moments, funny moments kesa sa yung mga sabi ni Miss Carmi kurot sa puso na moments.
okay, thank you and
Thank
congratulations.
you.
Okay, thank you, Ning. Okay, ayan na. Go ahead, please. Your name and your blog site, please.
Hi, I'm Adam Henato. Hey, adamhenato.wordpress.com. I would like to ask Direct Boborol. Kasi marami ng movies in the past na tinakal yung ganito, di ba? Yung male lead star nagbet para ma-inlove sa kanya yung female lead star. Anong kaibahan nitong movie na to? As opposed dun sa mga previous movies na may ganong similar plot.
Aware ka doon, Direct, na may mga...
Like si
ganyan daw.
Kanyel, before parang
Yes,
may
yes
ginawa na rin before.
Aware ako, oo. For me, ang main difference is napaka-strong nung protagonist na babae. I know yung mga movies na yun, usually nerdy girl, na ano lang, mahiyain, tapos na-inlove sa campus jock. Ito, mahihirapan yung lalaking nagbet because sobrang strong nung character nung babae. Then pangalawa, I think ang pinaka-main difference is that yung mga movies na yon yung mga movies na yun, napansin ko, they just focus on love. Walang family background, yung mga characters, walang ibang concern sa buhay, kundi yung bet. But this movie, it's not just about the bet. There are also issues on friendship, on trust, on family issues. So, lumaki siya, mas malawak siya kaysa dun sa mga Hollywood movies na napanood ko before. But yeah, I'm aware of those movies.
Okay, additional question.
Go ahead. Sure.
Kay Miss Liza, syempre yung premise ng movie is all about yung pinagpustahan yung babae. In real life ba, hypothetically speaking, would you fall for someone or madedevelop ka sa isang taong pinagpustahan ka?
Ay, ang sakit.
Si Sophia kasi when she fell in love with Drake, hindi niya alam na may pustahan nangyari. And ako, I'm sure the guy wouldn't tell me na pinagpustahan niya lang ako kagad. So, I feel like it's possible because pag ang lalaki parang pumusta, he's gonna do everything, syempre, to win the bet. So he will say everything he can just to win you over. He will give you everything he can. And siguro if a guy were to show me that, if he were to show me all the love in the world, I think I would fall for him. Pero in the end, kung malalaman ko din lang po na bet, ayoko.
Okay. And last question.
Sure.
Obviously, you and Enrique share something special.
Ha? Hindi naman halata. Charing lang.
So, sige, I'll just jump ahead.
No. Go ahead, Joe. Ano ka ba?
Hindi,
First time?
You'll be
Sorry.
turning 18 next January. So, siya na ba ang pwedeng maging escort mo sa debut mo 6 months from now?
Actually,
Or
wala
is it
po akong
too-
debut.
Oh,
Wala
I
po akong-
see.
Hindi po ako
Mag-skip ka ng
magdedebut.
18?
Opo,
Charing lang.
sa 19 na po ako magdedebut. Hindi, joke lang. Hindi, napag-usapan po namin ng manager ko po na hindi na lang po hindi na lang po ako magdedebut kasi parang hindi ko rin po kaya yung malalaking parties.
Kotse
And,
na lang.
Coachella?
Kotse or
kotse.
European trip na lang.
Parang ganun, gusto ko out of the country na lang. Mas gusto ko yung family and very,
Spend
very
time with
close
family.
friends lang.
So wala kang debut party. Sad.
Wala.
What if the ABS-CBN Star Cinema Star Creative insists on having one? At least yung
I'm
shoulder
shy.
ni Tito Miko. Etching
Hindi
joke.
ko kaya. Nasa stress po ako pag ganun
In
eh.
preparations and
Parang,
all.
Parang,
Sagutin mo yan after mga ilang few months pa from now. Kasi talagang siya, wala siyang plano, pero we can never tell. Okay, more questions? Okay, thank you. I have a question for Direk. Miss Carmi, sorry. Miss Carmi, the book must be real good. The fact na in-adapt nyo into movie. Ano bang criteria or ano ba ang nakikita nyo for a book to be adapted at gawing pelikula ng Star Cinema? First and foremost, ano yung kailangan bang ano?
Siyempre, number one naman talaga sa Star Story. 'Di ba?
Maganda ang story ng The
Oo,
Bet.
oo, maganda siya. Ang daming libro na pinapadala
Oo
ng
nga
ibang
eh.
ng mga publishing companies for us to read. And pag binabasa talagang sinasala yun eh. 'Di ba? So, maganda yung naging kwento nung nabasa namin. One anecdote, when we read yung book ng The Bet, one thing na nagustuhan kasi ng management ng Star talaga doon, ang kaibahan niya doon sa ibang mga
May ganong
books
klaseng
is,
ano.
ang laki ng kwento ng pamilya talaga. Yun yung notable dun sa libro ni Kim compared to other books. So, ang lakas agad nung kapit mo kahit hindi ka, kasi di ba karamihan ng mga librong ganyan yan, teens, di ba? Teens yung bida. Ang laki nung part ng family dun sa book. Kaya instantly pinick up din namin ng Star eh. So, number one criteria talaga always story. Diba? And number two, syempre, to be honest, yung reads, diba? Ilan ba ang nakabasa? Ilan yung followers ng libro? Kasi,
Marami
diba,
na po.
Marami. It's one of the top na books
Okay.
ng summit. So, yun po.
Okay, more questions for Liza, please, and our director. Go ahead, Mami Jo.
Hi, Liza.
Hi.
There was one particular scene in the trailer where Enrico would say, "How do I get you?"
Mhm.
How does any guy get a Liza?
Wow. I don't know. Hindi ko to talaga
Anong
alam.
tanong?
Kasi
Baka
ako
pwede ko siyang tulungan sumagot. Charot, joke.
Kasi ako po, pag ganun, hindi po ako nag-e-expect ng anything from a guy. Wala po akong parang, kailangan yung lalaki ganto, ganto, ganto. Hindi po ako ganun. Parang, when love comes, it comes. Yun na lang po.
So, you can't tell anybody, ito gusto ko, these are my
No.
type of guy. Wala kang ganon.
Hindi po. Kasi ayokong ma-break yung expectations ko.
Since I met you the first time in She's the One, we were in Wang Forest.
Oh, you remember that?
Naman!
Oo.
Oo. Tapos hanggang ngayon, so far, ano yung pwede mo ikwento na
Oo.
mga
Nangyari. From that day.
your learnings from that day until
And now you
Medyo
are-
matagal-tagal na
Oo.
yun.
Ang daming magagandang
Okay.
nangyari, Liz. Please, kwento mo.
After po nung She's the One po yun, after po nung She's the One, yun po nag-got to believe ako. I worked with Direk Cathy. And feeling ko, dun po ako mas nag-learn sa acting. Parang marami po akong na-pick up po kasi na mga lessons in acting. And also, mas marami po akong naging workshop because of Forevermore. So, it really helped me. It taught me how to be more sincere. Kasi before, when I would act, parang I wouldn't really use personal things in my life that happened. And now, I'm able to parang bring it into the scenes, bring it in, and to bring myself along with the character. And ano pa po, yun, mas nag-mature po ako ngayon. And yun.
Medyo nagkaroon ka ng confidence. Siguro my last question would be,
Apo.
if you are not the Liza Soberano actress, who do you think you are?
If I weren't an actress, I'd be a regular student, probably playing volleyball.
Yeah, she does.
I do. But I haven't been playing for like 3 years now. Matagal na. And yun po, I'd be in college right now.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Okay. Thanks, Mami Jo.
Tatanungin ng halaga.
Okay, more. Ayan, sige, after
Follow-up.
si FPJ.
Was kasi daw parang hugot din from Forevermore ulit. So, was there a pressure from fans na magkaroon ng kissing scene? Kasi nga,